The last 10 years have seen major improvements on wash-in schools or WINS in many countries across the globe, and the pandemic has shown with shocking clarity the importance of WINS. In the year 2030, each and every school around the globe should provide access to basic drinking water, gender-segregated usable toilets, and hand-washing facility with water and soap. This sounds very basic, but is still not a reality. Committed to supporting Ministries of Education in leading and accelerating progress towards reaching the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs for WINS, the GIZ Fit for School program in Asia and the Regional UNICEF Offices in Bangkok and Kathmandu joined forces and organized the annual WINS International Learning Exchange, or ILE, with support of the Global WINS Network. The ILE facilitates learning and generates momentum and political commitments towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals SDGs 4 and 6. Since 2012, 9 WINS ILE have been held in South and East Asia, and over 1,000 people participated, representing 25 national governments and various development partners, academic institutions, and the private sector. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the ILE had to transition into a virtual format. Positively, it enabled the ILE to continue as a platform for more WINS advocates to engage on WINS topics and include topics related to pandemic prevention and safe return to schools. With its focus on capacity development and sharing of implementation experiences and tools, the week-long ILE consists of technical sessions on relevant WINS topics, sharing innovations, improving monitoring tools, facilitation of country-to-country consultations learning exchange at regional and country level, and last but not least, field trips to schools. The ILE provides a platform for countries to showcase their achievements and best practice on WINS, as well as monitoring systems that help provide clear direction for attaining the 2030 SDGs. Technical experts on WINS are also engaged to share latest findings or present relevant and emerging topics such as monitoring and evaluation and menstrual health and hygiene. Since the first meeting in the Philippines in 2012, the event has developed from one that is initiated and managed by UNICEF and GIZ to an established format involving high-level governmental representation organized by host countries, thus allowing valuable government-to-government exchange. Country consultations and field trips to schools, together with informal interactions during breaks and even the bus rides to school visits, were the valued opportunities for exchanges among the delegations. The most recent Joint Monitoring Program report suggests that there have been marked improvements on WINS in countries that have either hosted or joined the ILE. In 2023, the first WINS ILE took place in Africa and brought together government representatives and their key wash-in schools partners from development agencies, NGOs, and INGOs from a total of 26 African countries. Huge interest from countries and the success of the first African ILE provides a foundation to build on the ILE movement in Africa and spur progress on WINS. The partnerships formed and the success stories gained from the last 11 years of the ILE are a testament that the approach works and contributes to WINS implementation and the attainment of the SDGs for WINS. Given that many countries are not on track to reach the WINS-related indicators under SDG 4 and 6, formats like the WINS ILE are crucial to learn from each other and to accelerate progress towards ensuring that all schools and children have universal access to basic wash services. With partner alignment, the ILE is an important tool that promotes the education sector's leadership, policy, planning, monitoring, advocacy, and research, which are the foundation to generate political will and for strengthening the enabling environment for WINS.